Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these sparkly jagged stripes for Halloween. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. Today I'm going to be using 4 Pixie Dusts from Zoya. This purple is Carter. The bright green is Cece. The orange is Dara. And the black is Dahlia. I'll be doing the nail art with those 4, and for my base color I'm just going to be using Zoya Willa, which is a black cream. I have a small lid that I'm going to use to put out just a little bit of the polish to work with. And then with a small brush, I'm going to be drawing some kind of randomly shaped zigzags, starting from the corner of my nail and moving toward the tip. And I'm going to kind of stagger where the colors are placed and how the zigzags are on each nail. I'm going to go on with the black now, and in addition to adding a little bit more sparkle and texture instead of just the plain black base, this will also give me a chance to clean up the design and any edges, any corners that I want to be a little sharper. And I'm just going to go in between all the zigzags. Once I'm done filling in with the black, I'm going to go ahead and do any necessary cleanup around the edges with a brush dipped in acetone. If you like the matte textured glitter of the Pixie Dusts, you can certainly stop here, but probably unsurprisingly, I'm gonna go ahead and add at least one layer of top coat, possibly and probably two, just to make sure that they're fully smooth. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. Of course, it's always really easy to be overcritical with freehand designs, but I think the uneven nature of these zigzags makes this a little bit more forgiving. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube in the next couple days. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.